Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome back to the classes now. We are doing geography, the climate. So now here we have finished our seasons. We are doing cold seasons. We have finished. Now we will talk about the hot weather season, that is summer. So now there are altogether 7 points I've written over here. Now we'll go one by one. Due to the apparent northward movement of the sun moves towards the north, that is from summer solstice. The northward movement of the sun, the global heat belt shift northwards. The global heat belt will changes towards the northern side of the northern hemisphere of the earth. Number 2, as such, from March to May, from the month of March to May, it is hot weather season in India. It is a hot weather season in India due to the apparent movement of the sun towards the north. During summer, temperature recordings at different latitudes are like this. In India, in March, in the month of March, the highest temperature is recorded as 38 degrees Celsius. In India, the highest temperature recording is 38 degrees Celsius, recorded in Deccan Plateau, especially during in the south of India. Deccan Plateau, it is 38 degrees Celsius in the month of March, the highest temperature. In April, the temperature in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are around 42 degrees Celsius. These different latitudes. Now again, in May, March, April, May, these are the 3 months, summer months. In May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius is very common in the northwestern part of India, that is in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, this part, northwestern part. 45 degrees Celsius is very common. Sometimes it crosses or exceeds 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Sometimes it reaches. So it's very, very hot there in the northwestern part of our country. However, the peninsular India, temperatures remain fairly lower due to moderating influence of the sea. So northern India experiences extreme weather, extreme climate, that is very hot because it is in the interior part of the country. It is far away from the sea. But the southern India or the peninsular India experiences fairly low temperature because of the moderating effect of the seas. Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean towards the south. So the 3 seas had a moderating influence towards the peninsular India. Summer months experience rising temperature during summer. From the temperature starts rising from the month of February, March, from the month of March. So summer months experience rising temperature from March and falling air pressure in the northern India. In North India, northern India experiences rising temperature and the falling of air pressure. So low pressure is created towards the northern part of India, that is in northern plains. So this low pressure area attracts the air from the sea. So you can see there. Now in our next class we will talk about the characteristics of the summer season. Right now we have talked about the temperature. The temperature starts rising from the month of March, then April and May. The highest temperatures are recorded over here, and northern India experiences rising temperature and falling air pressure. So it is due to the northward movement of the sun. the temperature starts rising, because the northern hemisphere of the earth experiences very hot season, that the heat belt changes towards the north. So in our next class we'll talk about the characteristics of the summer season. So this much for today. Thank you very much for listening and watching so attentively. You should not miss your online classes. Every day you go through that online portal. It doesn't take much time, hardly 10-15 minutes, not even that, so that you can spare that much time you can provide for your education. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.